Ciao and welcome back to this new cooking video. Davide here for Small Giants, and today we will create some tasty recipes with a new superfood, buffalo worms flour. Obviously nothing scary. As you can see, I have here in my hands this incredible flour that allows you to prepare all your favorite recipes and enrich them with super sustainable proteins. I am so in love with this product, and I'm sure you will love it too because this is so funny and easy to use. But now let's jump into the recipe. In this video I will show you how to prepare some gorgeous muffins. Fluffy, sweet and super nutritious thanks to the buffalo worms flour. Let's start by pouring milk and sugar in a bowl and stir well to dissolve the sugar. Sift in a large bowl of flour, buffalo worm flour, baking powder, salt and mix the ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into the flours and mix until well combined. While mixing, add the oil. Remember to don't overmix or your muffins will be less tender. Now preheat the oven and set 2 baking sheets with about 10-15 ramekins. Add the blueberries and gently fold them into the butter. You can use the frozen as well as the fresh ones. Fill each ramekin with butter up to 3/4 full. Optionally, but very recommended, I suggest you to add a few blueberries and sprinkle the top with a little cane sugar. Place the baking sheet in the oven and bake for 30 minutes until the top swells slightly. If you like cupcakes or muffins, this is your recipe. Easy to make, crazy results, and you can use buffalo worms flour as a super healthy nutritional booster. After taking them out of the oven, let cool for a few minutes and now enjoy warm or room temperature.